Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Rapichas here. Just another quick in-game study. So these positions are hard to understand where everyone is going. So black is going this way and white is going upwards, and it's white turn to move. So white has extra exchange, but black has more than enough compensation, and black is ready to queen. Also, white has this pawn on a7, which will soon be queening. So if you start with rook to g8, for instance, yeah, the problem is that black queens and white queens with check. Normally it's more than enough to win, but unfortunately in this situation it doesn't work out. Bishop to a3, and black is defended. Yeah, you cannot give any checks except for this one. Yeah, but it's not mate. Yeah, normally queen would be on c3 to give this combination. So it doesn't work out. In this position, white starts with rook to h8. So black naturally queens, the only normal move. White queens with check. And black plays bishop to a3. So how would you play in this position? So white need to play queen to g8 first, checking the king, and king has only one legal move, king to a1. So what's your offer here? So white has to use deflection because this pawn is defended and king is on e1. So white plays rook to h1, pinning the queen, and the queen is not able to give check and mate in a couple of moves. So black takes here, and white starts checking. Check, and they continue checking, and they continue checking. And yeah, and it's a staircase scenario. Just queen comes closer and closer. And in this position, white gives this check, queen b3, and queen a3 checkmate. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.